little girl, Miss Mwikali, with another interesting video. So guys, I'm at International Lighthouse in town. We are headed to Kereita for ziplining. I'm excited! Arrived at the viewpoint. It's so sunny. Yes, and I'm enjoying the journey so far. Courtesy of sunny side tours. We are having some photos. We're still headed to Kereita. Yeah, so keep it locked.
Premiumbeat.com.
Have you been here before? You see, she's enjoyed. So courtesy of sunny side tours. Tell us, what do you think? Like, are you enjoying your trip? Iko aje? So far tumefika hadi hapa. I don't like everything. Ah, nice. So, yeah. Thank you. Oh, nice.
Premiumbeat.com.
We just arrived at Kereita. Yeah, I'm dressed up ready to do the ziplining, but I'm so scared. I'm freaked out. Yeah, I'm freaked out with the heights, but I'm sure I will make it. Yeah, so that is one of my #1 fan.
Hi subscribers.
Subscribe, like, share and comment, please. Wambie.
Turn on post notifications.
Premiumbeat.com.
How are you feeling? You're ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready for the
Unajua kuna saju ku ride bike. Mimi sijataja mtu by the way. Wanajijua. How are you feeling? You ready? Sawa sawa.
Premiumbeat.com.
You can see our starter park there. Yeah, this is Kereita Forest. Yes. So how's the biking?
The biking was awesome. We did like 3.5 a.m.
3.5.
Yes, 3.5.
And you? Did you like it? So everything is fine. So now relax. We wait for the rest.
Yes.
Wale wazembe wamalize e-biking.
E-biking. What is e-biking? What is it? Oh.
So guys, we're going to do the e-biking.
Premiumbeat.com. Premiumbeat.com.
So guys, we just done with the archery. Manze, I mean this thing. I think I have a problem. Yeah, we'll just do some photos to show you how like the thing was. We didn't like really do photos for videos for it. Yes, and we've also done the ziplining. Nilikwama katikati. Imagine, I'm that heavy. I can't believe. I did my legs badly. I don't know. Anyway, but guys, I hope you'll just enjoy this, and all this is sponsored by Sunnyside Tours. These guys are giving the best services, best customer service. Try them out.